Asaba inside town is currently under rehabilitation, or should I say under reconstruction. Like the entire road within Asaba inside town is under reconstruction. What I noticed today when I visited is that they are trying their best to fix all their drainage system in order to fight against the increase of flood within Asaba inside town. So guys, like I promised you on my short form video I uploaded this morning, I told you guys that I'll be heading back to Asaba inside town to go and bring you the latest update concerning what is currently going on there. And that thing is nothing else than the re-asphalting that is currently going on around the Interbar roundabout. Nothing much is going on there. They re-asphalted some sections over there, but not fully. So I'm heading down towards the what is it called, forgetting the name of that plaza before the FMC roundabout. The re-asphalting started fully from there, heading down to NABC road. At some point it's also stopped. So here is we are currently stuck in traffic because they are fixing both sides of the road, and there's heavy traffic around this particular place. So we spend like up to, it's not that much, maybe just 10 minutes, and the whole thing cleared again, and we started moving. So the entire Asaba is currently under rehabilitation. Around the Summit Road is receiving not re-asphalting. Summit Road is currently under gutter reconstruction. They are building a very mighty tunnel around that place because from that Summit Road coming down towards that Interbar roundabout, heavy flood used to happen around that area. So they are currently building a very big canal, which some section of it have been completed, and they are doing it on the both sides of the road. I think all of them will be canal because they will be buried under the ground. So at the both sides of the road is what they are doing around that Summit road. So coming down towards the Interbar roundabout. So around this area nothing much is going on, except that they changed the demarcation, just like I showed you previously on my video, and they also installed new solar street lights, and right now they are re-asphalting the area to give it more new look. So the only place they are currently trying to reconstruct before they can re-asphalt it again is around that Ibuzo junction, which I showed you in my previous video. So I did not capture that location today. I just stopped and also give a little bit coverage after where the re-asphalting ends. So you can see over there, that place is where the re-asphalting ends. So for now, so over here nothing else is going on here, but I know maybe they will still continue with it, but no workers or tractors is around there right now. They are all down below where I showed you before, where we are stuck in the traffic. That is where they currently are. So guys, watch through the video. I'll still be going back there from time to time to go and cover the progress of the work, and also I may be going back again to go and give you the full gist or the full coverage of the whole construction going on around that place. And without forgetting, the reconstruction of the Onitsha-Asaba expressway has commenced, and currently I'm yet to know if the place is type of concrete concrete type or maybe asphalting type. But what I'm seeing there, I'm seeing something like they wanna they are doing concrete type around that place, but I'm just watching. Maybe after that one they will asphalt it, or maybe it will have only the concrete. So we are just watching, but every other thing has been laid down there, like road and the others. So some section of it has also received the concrete pouring and the rest. So maybe tomorrow or next I will give you guys a full coverage of that Onitsha-Asaba expressway to show you the latest updates on what is currently going on around that place. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so. Subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, and don't forget to share the video. For our newcomers, you are welcome to our family. Over here we do cover government projects, but our major niche is travel vlog, showing you some new location, location for realizations and the rest. If you want us to cover anywhere for you, you can as well suggest via our comment sections, and if our funds can take us there, we will gradually do it for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day, and don't forget to tell us what you feel about the whole reconstruction that is going on within Asaba inside town currently. By the time I did a cover of that drainage system currently going on around that summit, I'll also show you guys. You give us your own opinion. Thank you, and bye.